How to set Samsung email limit retrieval size while roaming on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the email app. Then tap on the menu button at the top. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on one of your email accounts. Now scroll down and tap on limit retrieval size while roaming. From here, you can choose one of the options. Use retrieval size settings, headers only, or select one of the options down here such as no limit or no limit including attachments. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.